Hello, welcome back to my class. Dear student, you see in my previous class I have discussed about the introduction of the resource, introduction of the resource, and now we will discuss about the value of resource. So stay with me, I'll discuss about that. So first, before we start the value of resource, we say once we'll give the introduction about the resource. Resource, what is resource? Resource are anything that satisfied our living. Satisfied our living, that means the things which satisfied our needs or our wants, we can consider as a resource. So here see, value of resource. As we know that the resource which have which are provided by the natures, all the resource that are have great value. The resource value is determined by the quality and quantity and useful of the resource. As we can say that the resource, its value determined by the quantity, how much have, and the quality, how is the resource is that, and the usefulness of the resource. So here we can say that the resource characteristics are, we can classify it into three ways, that are the utility, limited resource, and potential of the consumable. So these are the resource. So here the resource are value determined by the various factor. That factor I will discuss details. Stay with me. So first, the value of resource is determined by the first is different cultural background. Even you see that people from the different cultural background, they have this different value of the different resources. Example, we can say that if you go to the Japan, example, for instance, we can say that Japan. The Japan, they have this great value of their green tea. Green tea is the great value in the Japan because they believe it is considered, or it is their green tea is there. Drinking the green tea is health benefit and cultural value for them. It also, it is the drinking of the green tea is for them, it's a ritual. So for them, the green tea, it is a resource, have their great value for them. That if we compare the others country, it will be not like that. So people, that's why people from the different background, they have this great value of the different resources. So come to the second factor, that is say that economy of the country. So second factor, the value of resource is determined on the economy of a country. Even we see that, for instance, we can say that the resource, the large amount of the example, large amount of the reserve of coal or minerals in a particular country, they don't have the great value, not have the great value because they don't have their enough technology to extract it. And the same resource may be great value to the developed countries because they have this modern science and technology to extract the resource. So we can consider that the economy of a country is one of the factor that make the value of the resource. So hopefully you understood. Example, so I told that, so I think no need to again to explain that. So third number, if you come to the factor is the value of resource which determine, or we can say that demand of the resource. Even we see that if any resource they have the demand is more, obviously the value of that resource, particular resource, will be increased. Suppose we can, example can say that like cotton, timber, and the food grain. If the demand is more there, obviously the value of that particular resource will be increased. So come to that availability of the resource. Even we see that the value of resource which is determined by the availability of the resource. Even we see that if you come to the example in the desert area, water is scarce. The peoples, they hardly getting the water, and maybe they are conserve the resource because they have to fetch a long way to get the water. For for them for them it is very important and the great value have in the desert area. And some of places we can see that people have to buy the water for their survival. So there is the availability of the resource. So the resource, fourth number point, change with the time. The value of resource is changing with the time. So even we see that the resource, suppose a plot of land, a land which is presently people using for the agriculture purposes, the value of this particular land is may not be more. If with the changing situation, the agricultural land, if it is converted into the commercial places or town or city making, obviously that plot of land value will be increases. So that is the things I would like to say, that value of resource which is changing with the time. The sixth number point, we can say that skilled manpower. Skilled manpower is one of the important assets significant assets for the value of resource. So you can see that people, those who have the knowledge and good idea have, they can obviously convert the resource. They can invent it or discover some of the things, the power they have, because the skilled manpower which they have for their knowledge and ideas, they can discover or invent new things. So this way we can consider that the value of resource is determined by the skilled manpower. So 7 number point, we will say that modern technology and science and modern technology, which also great value of the resource. Modern science and technology which also help to determine the great value of the resource. How? Even we see that because it is the science and modern technology which help to convert the resource into usable form. Even we can say the example, suppose mineral well and large number of the coal reserve. These are extracts from the underground with the help of the modern and technology. If it is not, modern technology and science is not there, so it is not possible for the human to extract this such mineral and the mineral resource. So we can consider that the modern technology and science which also determine the great value or value of a resource. Hopefully you will understood from this class about the value of resource. So one question is from there only. If you understood these all points, then you will able to write the answer. So once if you don't understood, you repeat, you just play the videos repeatedly and try to understood what I just want to say about about the factor that determine the value of resource. And if any clarifications, you can share with me or you can call to me. Thank you.